Historically, black spruce essential oil was used by Native Americans to promote skin health and as part of their spiritual healing and cleansing practices. Keep watching today's video and I'll share how you can use black spruce in your daily health habits. Hi, I'm Lori Funderburk, an essential oil user and educator. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. I'm excited to give you the chance to grab my free Essential Oils Made Easy guide. All you got to do is click the description below to find that link. Resilient and strong, the black spruce tree dominates much of the Alaskan and Northeast Canadian landscape because of its particularly hardiness and tolerance to nutrient-poor soils. Commercially, the black spruce trunk is generally considered too small for use in timber, but is often used as pulp to produce paper or chopsticks. Arguably, the most important feature of the black spruce, however, is the volatile aromatic compounds that are produced from its needles. Start your day off with the cooling and soothing benefits of black spruce oil, both topically and aromatically. After strenuous exercise or when your body is in need of topical support, massage black spruce essential oil into the skin with a carrier to create a soothing, comforting massage. Diffuse black spruce oil or apply to the back of the neck throughout the day to create feelings of harmony and balance. The refreshing aroma of black spruce essential oil is often used in aromatherapy to help maintain feelings of clear airways and easy breathing. Black spruce essential oil is also great for supporting memory, immunity, respiration, and can help with mental stress. You can use it both aromatically and topically, but not internally. It's all part of taking control of your family's health naturally. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.